Hello everyone and welcome back to another reaction video. And today I'm going to do a reaction to Violette1st Williams Xbox Power Chord Meltdown. And I haven't seen a Violette1st video in a long time, so this is the first time I'm going to do a reaction video on that. So anyway, let's do it. Good intro. Violette1st. Violette1st, okay?
Well, hello everybody. Happy summer.
Ooh.
Whitey, say hi to the camera. There's Whitey. Yes, I haven't seen you guys in a while.
Yeah.
You know, Williams, after having like a rough winter and spring, which I've told you about in my streaming and stuff, um, William has said to me, he wants me to show more video of him when he's good, instead of just showing videos of when he's, quote, misbehaved. So, well, the thing is, unfortunately, that means I haven't had an opportunity to make video. But that's okay, because today I have an opportunity to make a video of him being good. Because Comcast is out. Big power outage, and it's affecting us. Which means William can't play Xbox. So, and yes, that could be a good thing, because that means he's going to have to find other things to do. And I just started filling up the pool a couple weeks ago. It's not filled up very much, as you know all too well, but I thought I could make a video of him swimming, like I do every year. This will be the day to make a video of him playing in the pool, and that'll be his good video that he's been waiting for. And then, afterwards, we can have peanut butter cups and have a peanut butter cup moment. So this is really, I'm very excited about this. I can't wait to tell him the good news. He's going to have his video of being a good boy. William! William! Come here! Come here, I got good news! Come on! Come on! Come here, I gotta talk to you! I got good news! Come on! Come on! Oh my gosh! What is that? What? Hey, sweetie, come here. What do you want? Hey, what? Comcast is out, as you know. So, and you wanted videos of you being good. So today, I'm gonna make a video of you swimming. No. And then, yes. I don't want to. I don't want to swim. Comcast is out. This is a good day for you to take advantage of doing alternative. Well, what do you want to do then? Play video games. No, Comcast is out, so you gotta have something else to do. Offline. Are you kidding me? No, come back! What? I want to go swimming. I'm not going swimming. Yes, William, you're all good. This is a good opportunity to go swimming. Come on, take it. I mean, I think he just wants to wait a few minutes to swim. Let me try to convince him again. William!
I know he streams.
Get down here now. We're going to go swimming. What do I gotta tell
you?
What?
We
are going swimming and we're gonna enjoy it. No, we're not. I have been waiting for another for you to go swimming. Let's go. No. Get down here now. No, get down here. Get down here. Get down here. Okay. I'll come down. You're coming down? Oh my gosh.
And bad thing. No bad thing's gonna happen.
And then you're going swimming? Wait a minute, you're going to go swimming after you go swimming and come down, right? Wait a minute, are you going to stay downstairs? No. What are you going to do after you're going to go to the bathroom?
I'm pretty sure he can go burn stuff.
Oh, that's great. Rainy, what are we going to do to get him to go swimming? What are we going to do? Huh?
No one wants to see that.
Zach left his diary here. Zach left his diary here. Look. YouTube friends, I have an idea.
What? We gonna read it?
Zachary left his diary fire here, and you got grandma with a extra key. Go get it. Watch this. I have an idea.
Yes, sir.
He's gonna swim. He's gonna swim.
Sir?
He's gonna swim.
Okay, I can grab you some small things.
This. See this right here. Oh, so right there. That is coming off. I have the key. Anyways, I have the key. Yes. Oh, I'm so excited. He's gonna swim. Watch this. You guys just wait. This might be a way to get your brothers and sisters, kids, whatever's off Xbox. Watch
Oh
this.
no.
Sorry, Xbox, but you gotta go. You got to go. Watch this. Find that cord.
Oh no.
Follow the cord. Watch this. Where's this go? Where's this thing go?
Oh no. What's he gonna be like SML Jeffy, where he gonna be like, are you high? I'm not gonna say the F word because I'm trying to keep this family friendly, okay?
Ooh.
This is a family friendly channel, and
Watch this.
but that doesn't mean I won't be awesome now.
Sorry,
Get it?
Xbox.
Awesome tube? He gonna be all Jeffy in this. Like, are you high? Oh my god, it actually worked.
Sorry, he's not going swimming. I gotta get downstairs. I'm so excited. We're gonna go swimming. I'll be back.
He could be all SML Jeffy. Are you high? And I'm not saying the F word because I'm trying to keep this family friendly. But that doesn't stop me from being awesome because this is an awesome tube channel. Oh no. You'll be raging now. If you speak, I'm what? You get scared now. Cause I'm near something, and if I hit my head, I'm knock myself out. If he screams, I swear to God. If he hits the door and gets like scared, oh Jesus! Oh my God! Why is he?
What is this? It looks like a cord. Mom, why is my cord like this? Why does it have a lock? Why does it have a lock on it?
Yeah, like pretending you don't know.
Andy must have put it there. Yeah. Why? Andy put it there. Yeah. Andy, what do you mean? Andy put that there.
Yeah, just wait.
Andy was at the house. I don't know that. I don't know.
Stuttering is.
Maybe that's a sign that you have to go swimming.
You make it.
So you did it.
Oh my God, that was suspicious there.
You did it. I didn't say that. Why did you do this?
Yeah, that was.
Where's the key? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't you hit me with that. Don't you hit. Watch out. I'm going away from you. Where is the key? Don't worry about it. Where is the key? Go downstairs. Where is the key? Go downstairs. Where is the key? None of your business. None of your business. Where is it? Where is it? Don't worry about it. Do you have the key in your pocket? No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. Matter of fact, you downstairs and play video games. I'm not. Only because you want me to get in the pool. I'm not getting in the pool. I refuse to get in the pool. I gotta go outside and check on something. I gotta go outside and check. What are you doing? You don't need to come out with me. Close the door. What are you doing?
Just turn the bat now.
Get away from me. You're going swimming. You're going swimming. Get off of me. Get off of me right now. Get off of me. Get off of me. You're going swimming. What are you doing? I'll tell you what I'm doing. tell you what I'm doing.
it's baby. What?
No, give me it. You're going swimming.
Oh my god.
You're going swimming. I'm not getting in. Yeah, you are.
Then,
I'm not getting in. No, you are.
then you're not gonna get.
No. You're not going to be able to play Xbox. I don't care.
Then you're not gonna get the key. Then
Swimming.
if you don't swim, you're not gonna get the key.
You're going swimming. Come on.
You're not gonna get the key.
Go swimming.
What's that? What's that blur thing?
What are you doing? I gotta find a power cord that'll fit my Xbox.
What was that blur thing?
Well, you just go get the key from the pool. After you're swimming, then you can unlock it. William, come on. I gotta find one that can fit my Xbox. The one that fits your Xbox has a lock on it. We can just unlock it. Well, I can find another one. There has to be another one. From your decade-old box of freaking cord.
Jesus, turn instant.
Why are you gonna be so stubborn? Why do you even have this? Okay, sometimes you need a cord. Well, I need a cord right now, and I can't find the one. Why don't you just go get the key from the pool? Because I'm not swimming, and I already told you I'm not.
Then you're not gonna get the key.
Sit there and look at the cord? This is ridiculous.
You're not gonna.
Why is it so tangled up?
Cause it's.
When you find a cord, you can't find. You might be able to find the cord you want, but you can't get it out.
They're basically wires. They're basically wires. Wires get tangled. They're basically wires. They get tangled.
Where is the cord I need? It's upstairs in your room. No, where is it? I don't have an Xbox cord in there. What are you doing? What do you mean a cord? I need a cord to power my Xbox, or either that, or give me the key. The key is in the pool. Is there another one? No.
There's like the only key. The only key.
The pool. And you better be good to the key. You go in there and get the key for me. No. I'll pay you $1. No, I want you to go swim.
No, probably doesn't work.
You go swim for 1
No.
hour, and then I will do something other.
And now destruction begins. And the destruction begins. You go burn that.
No, William, no. No. William, no. William, no.
He go burn that.
William, get over here. Over here.
You gonna burn that.
William, give me my box of cords.
And burn in the electric flames. You gonna burn that.
No. No, stop.
Burn in the electric flames. Burn in the electric flames.
William, that's enough. William, that's enough. Seriously, that's enough. That's what I think of your cords. You gotta put that out. You wanna get the key for me? No. I'll put it out if you get the key for me. I'll get the key after we go swimming. Are you gonna get the key? Get away! That's plastic soap. Are you an idiot? I'm putting up the fire.
Do you don't call your mom an idiot?
No. I'm not gonna give you the key. You don't wanna give me the key? I'm not gonna give you the key. Are you gonna give me the key? No, stop. Are you gonna give me the key? Are you gonna give me the key? No. Give me the key. No. Put out the fire first. This is not gonna stop. Put out the fire first. I'm not stopping until you get the key. You're gonna put out the fire first. I'm gonna throw this in there if you don't get the key. Put out the fire first. No, walk away from that. Give me the key. No. Give me the key. No. I'm not gonna. Give me the key. No. I'm not getting in that pool. I'm not getting in that pool. Give me the key.
You get that. You get it, lazy.
Put that out. That was a good container. Those things cost money. Get me the key. Put it out. Get me the freaking key. No. Give me the key. No, I don't. You have another key. Put out the door. You have another key. No, another key. You have another key. It's in the pool. Stop, please.
It's in the pool. Get it yourself.
No. I'm not putting it out then. No, I'm not gonna. I'm not giving you the key. I'm not giving. No, it's not. No, put it out. No.
Oh my god.
Put it out. Seriously? That's yours to deal with. That's yours to deal with. It's your stupid decision.
What?
That's your stupid decision. Put it out.
What? Do not call your mom stupid.
Now all your precious
What
cords.
are you?
I don't care about the cords. I just want you to swim. I'm gonna come and babysit on my kid. Stop. Stop.
Yes, not get wet. School is gonna help.
Oh my goodness, you're crazy. Put that out.
Yeah, he's crazy.
No, put that out. Put it out. Put it out.
Jesus.
Where are you going? Just get me the key. No, get me the key. Put out the fire first. Where are you going? 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 What are you doing? You're gonna go stop. No, put out the fire first. What are you doing?
He gonna go swimming.
You're gonna go in there in your clothes and get it. It's right there. Where's the key? It's right there. Where's the key? It's right there. Where? Right there. Where?
You blind?
Where? Right there.
You blind? You can't look?
Where? Right there. Where? Right there. Right there.
Can you stop asking where?
Tell me where it is. It's right here. I'm gonna drag you in. It's right over here.
Can you look?
You're gonna break the pool.
Can you look?
No, don't do that. Oh, you're dragging me in. Ow, ow.
Really? Just don't. You're just gonna drag your mom in.
Better keep yours upstairs. Be by the pool. Right there. Right there.
You don't attack. Do not attack your mom with a net. Really, you're just disrespectful. Call your mom. You just call first. You call your mom unintelligent, and now you're hitting her with a net.
I don't know where you're talking. Right down there.
Can you just look?
Get down there. I'll show you. I'll show you. Where? What?
Are you?
Down there.
Ha.
Get down.
Ha ha.
Now you're swimming. Right
Ha
there.
ha.
Right there. Come here.
Take it. Take that.
Big baby.
Ha ha.
Big baby. Now put out this fire.
Oh, we ruined your day. You ruined your mom's day.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I gotta get this thing out. Please.
Oh my god. Wait, is that? I think I see a. I see green and blue flames. Electricity, fire.
I'm sorry. At least I got him in the pool, everybody. Please. Bye.
Okay, you might want to get a fire extinguisher, sure, because that looks like an electric fire now. Thanks to Patreons. Okay. Well, that was a nice video. I haven't seen a Violette1st video in a long time, and besides, that just turned into electric fire. You might want to put that out with an extinguisher. And besides, I saw like green and blue flames. I never seen a green flame in my life. Was that green flame? Was it? I don't even know. Anyway, hope you liked this video. Subscribe to me. Subscribe to Violette1st. Okay, subscribe to both. Share and comment down if you like the video or not. It doesn't matter. And I'll put the link to the video in the description. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. And check out Violette1st. Subscribe to Violette1st. Anyway, see ya.